Huawei has just launched the stunning Mate 70 series and the Mate X6 foldable series. These phones feature a flagship camera and an ultra-slim design, making the Mate X6 the slimmest foldable phone ever. Today, I'll show you the unboxing and first look of the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus, Mate 70 Pro, and Mate X6 foldable phone, all launched today. Hey everyone, Maiky from techmaiky here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Now, let's get to the unboxing. Here's the box of the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. Let's open the lid, and the first thing we see is the phone itself. Removing the plastic, the color is called gold and silver brocade. A bit of a long name, but the back design is truly eye-catching. There are 3 other color options available. The back has a shiny finish with a cross pattern, and the Huawei branding is at the bottom. The frame is shiny, made of metal, and has a slightly curved design when viewed from the side. The camera module has a rounded design with a large border around it. As you know, Huawei's Mate series is camera-focused, and the Mate 70 series takes it to the next level. This time, the main camera comes with a variable aperture, and there's also a periscope telephoto lens. Additionally, it features a red maple primary color camera, ensuring excellent photos in complex lighting conditions and various environments. The telephoto lens can now capture macro photos as well. This is the Mate 70 Pro, which also comes in 4 color options. The back of this color variant has a matte finish, so fingerprints won't show easily. The frame is glossy and made of metal. The phone also comes with several new themes. The major difference between the Mate 70 Pro Plus and Mate 70 Pro is the camera sensor, which I'll explain in detail in the full review video. So, stay connected with our channel. The Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with a more advanced camera setup. Here, you can see a comparison of both phones, with the Mate 70 Pro Plus appearing slightly broader. I'll soon upload a detailed review and comparison of both phones. To watch the reviews first, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team. Now, let's move on to the Huawei Mate X6 foldable phone. Here's the Mate X6 box. Opening the lid, the phone is the first thing you see, already in its unfolded state. According to the company, the Mate X6 comes with an entirely new architecture. The layout and internal components have been completely redesigned. This is the red color variant with a leather back. From the side, the phone looks very slim, and in its unfolded state, it's as thin as a Type-C port. The actual thickness in the unfolded state is just 4.6 millimeters, making it the thinnest foldable phone in the industry so far. When folded, the phone's thickness is 9.9 millimeters, which is similar to many gaming phones. The phone weighs just 239 grams and comes with an IPX8 water resistance rating. The camera module has an overall rounded design, but the lens area is square. The camera module looks similar to Huawei's trifold phone, the Mate XT, which I've already unboxed and reviewed, link available in the description. The frame of the phone is also rounded, and the outer display features thin bezels. The display size is 6.45 inches. The phone features a 7.93-inch main screen with a punch hole for the selfie camera on the extreme left. This display supports an adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz and HDR, with a peak brightness of up to 1800 nits. The outer display offers an even higher peak brightness of 2500 nits. Both screens come with 440 Hz PWM dimming, making them eye-friendly. The Mate X6 is available in a total of 4 color options. So friends, what do you think about the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus, Mate 70 Pro, and Mate X6? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say,